Okay guys, so today is gonna be so fun because we're going on a road trip. We going, Paige?
Hi.
Hi. We're going to the Pendaries golf course, to the cabin. So we're gonna be taking the truck and then the boys are gonna be taking their motorcycles. So I'm gonna be following them just to make sure they're gonna be safe, and it's actually their first big ride on the bikes. So it's gonna be super awesome to just get out there, see them ride on the bikes. We're gonna bring the pit bike. We're just getting everything loaded up and we're so excited. We're gonna be leaving here in a few minutes. So let's go. We're about to head out, so keep watching if you want to find out if it makes it. Let's hope it does. Here we are. Look at these bad boys. We're gonna fill up real quick. We're gonna fill everything up and hit the road.
All right guys, so what we got here is the Honda Shadow 750. We picked this bike up for a steal. It was really cheap for us, so what we did to it was we flushed out the gas tank, we cleaned it all out, we redid the carb, redid the jets, we redid the fuel lines. We made a new boot for this back spark plug. We replaced the spark plugs. We made a new ignition for it. We just put a new back tire on it. We redid the oil filter. We've done pretty much everything you name it, just as a basic maintenance to this bike. And now, well, I got it for him. I got it for my brother. He helped me out in a
Say
tough
hi, babe.
situation. Hello, what's happening, y'all? Yeah, he definitely helped me in a tough situation, so I wanted to get him on a bike since I bought one. And so we're going to be taking a trip up to our cabin, just all the way out. We're located out in Albuquerque right now, but we're going to be headed out to, I think it's called Rosita. And Rosita. But,
are you excited?
Yeah. So
this is going to be so fun.
Cost us a total of $22.25 to fill that bike up, this bike up, and 5-gallon can so we don't run out of gas. And always, people, go and check out your local speed shop, support your boys, pick up some merch from Yearwood, always.
Oh my goodness. Do you just want to wear your helmet?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Woo! You just want to wear your helmet around, don't you? Wow, Pace! What does the bike do? She's the dopest.
Maisie, what's the bike say?
Yay!
He doesn't care. You can put your feet on this expensive Harley paint, slap it up. You know, built like a Ford. You know, tough. What up, y'all?
we're hanging out in the car right now just for a second. We're at the gas station and Justin's getting me some coffee because he's the best. Then we're gonna head back out and they're like freezing right now. Like their hands are literally frozen. So they just want to warm up for a couple seconds. And me and Paisley just get to be in the warm truck, huh Paisley? The whole ride, nice and warm. Beep, 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 beep. Why, thank you, darling.
Look at there, the
Why,
coffee house.
thank you.
20-ounce coffee house.
You're the best, babe. Thank you. I love you. Oh, my coffee, because my baby's the best. And we're gonna head off again, guys. Now this will give me some energy to drive the whole way. I stayed up till 2 a.m. last night, so just always on a roll, guys. But cheers. Was that a good ride? Oh, she did so good on the drive. We finally made it. Let's go inside, guys.
This is my crib. Let me show you how I live. Like a kid. Sorry.
the ducks do? Quack, quack. Good girl. Water. What are you guys doing? Are you guys swimming? Good job. Can you give Daddy kissy? Oh, that was so sweet, Paisley.
Oh.
Oh. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming on this little adventure with us and our little family. We had so much fun. I'm so glad the bikes made it, but I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't already. And I just love you guys so much. Bye!